In the past, wildfires were primarily caused by lightning strikes and a combination of weather conditions like high temps, low humidity, and strong winds. However, today human activities such as arson, campfires, power lines, and a number of other factors are the primary source of this once natural hazard. In 2013, the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection found that Southern California alone had 1,257 fire reports, with a state total of 3,672. The monetary damage was about $8.7 million in Southern California and a whopping $29.8 million for the state. So here are some things you can do to help protect you and your family from wildfires. Use fire-resistant materials on your roof and around the exterior of your home. Screen any interior and exterior vents to prevent sparks from entering. Keep your roof and gutters clear of debris. Create a fire-free area within 5 feet of your home with non-flammable landscape materials and low-growing plants. Water and mulch trees and plants regularly or consider xeriscaping. Plant or thin trees 20 feet apart and trim so their lowest branches are at least 6 feet above the ground. Remove any flammables such as firewood or gasoline within a 30-foot radius of your home. Keep home firefighting tools accessible like fire extinguishers, rakes, buckets, shovels, and ladders. Install smoke alarms on each level of your home in your bedrooms. Be sure to test and check the batteries once a month. And finally, keep an emergency plan for the family that includes how to get out of the house, where to meet, and an emergency supply kit for each member. Using these tips, you may help protect you and your family from disaster.